This is Tim Wilson, armed only with a copy of OBS and built-in laptop microphone. This is another video for the Nomad Funnelhacker. What we're looking at is a site called Ahrefs, and it is a company that makes products that are designed to help people get good SEO ratings. And this is a paid product. So let's look at the pricing here. You can see that if you want the paid features, you're going to pay $129 a month and up. But our purpose here is not to pay anything. And it turns out that Ahrefs gives us a whole lot of free tools for helping us do certain things with writing and SEO. So let's take a look at first the AI writing tools. And this video is just going to be an overview. I may demonstrate some of these other tools later in separate videos. For AI writing tools, we have writing tools. We got things like an AI content detector, a paragraph generator, rewording tool, grammar checker, summarizer tool, plagiarism checker. Then we have a section for SEO and content marketing. We got a blog post ideas generator, title generator, content idea generator, video script generator. Then for social media, we have a hook generator. We have bio generators for both Instagram and social media. So they do seem to concentrate a lot on Instagram stuff because it's generally an Instagram generator for something and then a general social media generator for the same thing. Also, we have a YouTube channel description generator, YouTube name generator, YouTube video description generator, and also a couple of TikTok generators. Down in our business and marketing section, we have a brand name generator, slogan generator, landing page generator, website copy generator. Now, I haven't tried all these out. I've tried several of them. I'll have to investigate some of these further. We even have a resignation letter generator. So if you want to tell. So I guess if you got a side hustle and you want to make that full time, that's the tool to use for that. And that is all the writing tools, which is quite a lot, but that's not all there is. There's also SEO tools. And there's also an SEO browser extension if you wanted to put that in there. Our free SEO tools have several things: free keyword generator, Amazon keyword tool, Bing keyword tool, YouTube keyword tool. Keywords are a big thing in SEO, so it's not surprising to have so many tools. Also, another thing that's big in the SEO world is backlinks. So we got a backlink checker, a broken link checker, and we have a website authority checker. And then we have SERP and ranking. We have more tools there. And then we basically have a couple other tools. One just leads back to the AI writing tools we just on. There's a WordPress plugin, and you put the toolbar on your browser if you want to. I'm not recommending that one way or the other. They also have webmaster tools here, but you get free limited access to Site Explorer and Site Audit. I'm not going to go into that on this one, and there's quite a bit here to explore already. But I want to make you aware of this because it is quite a selection of tools that will rewrite things. Of course, I don't know what source they're going to for AI, but it's useful having these tools that can do simple rewrites or checks without having to launch ChatGPT and come up with a prompt or find a prompt. I mean, it's already built in here. And since Ahrefs is so big in the SEO world, they're probably pretty good tools. But that is the Ahrefs sites. I'll leave a link to it in the description. As I said, I will probably do some more videos on the individual tools, at least some of them. But right now, I just want to make people aware that you do have all these free AI tools for rewriting text, or finding keywords, or so forth. So that's the video for now. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, sales funnel building, web page design, and tools like all these free tools at Ahrefs that we can use in our work. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.